So this is a second important question paper for the subject mathematics for examination of as well as final board examination 2026. So coming to the first main, this is choose the correct answers. The number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle at the point on its circumference, that is 1. If a comma b are two positive integers, then the correct relation between option B is correct. HCF of a comma b into LCM of a comma b is equals to a into b. The number of solutions for a pair of linear equation is, for the equation above equation is 1. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is 3n minus 1. Its 8th term is, this is the calculation for it, and the 23rd term is the correct answer. And the maximum number of zeros for polynomial is 3. The volume of the right circular base cylinder is 1540 centimeter cube and its height is 10 centimeter. Then the area of its base is, the answer is 154 centimeter square. Sometimes they will ask the formula, but you should also be ready with the solving numerical if they have given in the form of numerical. So you should know all the formulas from surface area and volumes. So this is an important, very important question for preparatory. If you do all 4 question papers from my channel, then you will at least scoring 60 to 65 plus marks in the exam. 7th question is the formula to find the mean for the grouped data by direct method is x by is equals to, this is the answer. Option A is correct answer. 8th question is 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree is equals to, option D is correct, sin 90 degree. Answer for the following questions. Write the formula to find the sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression whose first term is a and the last term is an. So this is the formula. Write the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A, x, y1 and B, x2, y2. So this is the answer for that. Coming to the 11th question, the pair of linear equation x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 2x plus by minus 3 is equals to 0. Solution, find the value of b. So coming to the 12th question, find the maximum length of the rod to completely measure the rod's length, 24 meter and 36 meter. So this is the calculation for that from the real numbers chapter. And the formula to find the surface area of a sphere, A is equals to 4 pi r square. So please do subscribe to my channel and also like this video and do subscribe. So I will be uploading new question papers. So I will be getting motivated to upload the question papers. If you don't subscribe, this will be not motivating me. So please do subscribe. 14th question, if one of the zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus k is 2, then find the value of k, px. This is the answer for that. Now find the value of the discriminant of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the answer, that is 0. In the figure, this is from the chapter circles. So you can read it by your own. So coming to the question number 17, find the sum of the first 20 terms of an arithmetic progression 4, 7, 10 using formula. So this is the 650 is the answer. Solve the given pair of linear equation by elimination method. If they have mentioned the method as elimination, do solve with elimination method only. Don't use any other method, because elimination method is easiest and very less time consuming. It will consume very less time. This is the answer for that. Our option is the difference between the two positive numbers is 26, and if one number is 3 times the other, then find the number. So this is a bit complex, but go with the first question only. 19th, the figure, in the figure, write the values of sin C and cos A. This is from trigonometry. Write the probability of I, a sure event, into the impossible event. This is from probability. Find the distance between the points 5, 6 and 1, 3 using distance formula. This is from coordinate geometry. So 22nd question, this is from probability. A fair coin is tossed twice. Find the probability of getting at least one lead, one head. 23rd question, solve the quadratic equation x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0 by the method of factorization. If they mention the method of factorization, you should solve with the method using factorization only. Don't solve by any other method. They will not give you the marks. Our option is find the values of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0 has real roots. So you should find the value of k. So coming to the question 24, this is from triangle lesson. Read it and you can understand. So coming to the fourth main, answer the following questions. This is fixed question. This type of question are fixed in the examination. Prove that root 3 is a irrational number. See only the steps how they have solved. In this step only you should solve. and they will give you the 3 marks totally. 26th question, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x squared plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So in this period, they have written very systematically, and hence I have solved very systematically and arranged it. Answers with reading. 27th question, calculate the mode for the following data. So this is the answer. And our question is calculate the median for the following group data. So this is the answer for this. And coming to the 20th question, prove that under root 1 minus cos a divided by 1 plus cos a plus under root 1 plus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a is equals to 2 cosec a. So this is a step for solving the answer. This is the answer. Or is prove that 1 by sec a minus 1 plus 1 by sec a plus 1 equals to 2 cosec a into cot a. So this is systematically I have solved each step and written. And so this is a solving for both the questions. It's a different methods. 29th question, the length of the minute hand in a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area of sweep by the minute, that is 10 minutes. So this is the formula I'm solving. I have very systematically solved this. In any of the YouTube videos, you will not find this type of systematically solving. So please do. I have taken lots of effort. So do subscribe to my channel and please support. Or is find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose radius is 20 centimeter and also find the perimeter of the quadrant. So this is a systematically solved question. In a figure, find the ratio on which point P divides the line segment AB using formula. This is a figure. You can see. And you can solve it by using the formula. Here is our option. Find the coordinates of the point which gives the line segment AB given in the figure internally in the ratio 1:2 using section formula. Sometimes they will not mention the formula. You should understand and use the formula accurately. Coming to the 31st question, prove that the tangent of any point to the circle is from the circle lesson theorem. So you should practice, and here are the steps accurately I have solved. So coming to the 32 question, a student bought some books for rupees 60 and he bought 5 more books for the same amount. Each book would have cost rupees 1 less. Then find the number of books bought by him. So these are the answers to that. This is from quadratic chapter. And this is from triangle lesson 33rd question. Same from your textbook. So you can go through it once. And this is from the lesson arithmetic progression 34th question. The 8th term of an arithmetic progression is half of its second term and 11th term of the progression exceeds 1/3 of its fourth term by 1. Find the 15th term of the progression. So these are the complete and in detail steps. So you can solve this by understanding my steps what I have solved. Our option is in an arithmetic progression consists of 37 terms. If the sum of its 3 middle terms is 225 and the sum of its last term is 429, then find the progression. So this is the answer to that. Very systematically I have written. And 35th question, solve the given pair of linear equation or graphical method. 2x plus y is equals to 6, x plus y is equals to 4. Answer is, we should draw the boxes and also find the values to them. And this is the graph for that. You should, in graph, you should write axis and also mention the scale. X-axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. You should mention that there is a marks for that and also mark the points where it is crossing and the intersection point also. Means in this graph, whatever it is there, you should mention all the points in your graph. Okay. So you will get the 4 out of 4 marks here. If the angle of triangle is, if one angle of a triangle is equal to the one angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then prove that two triangles are similar. So this is the PDF of similar triangles. So solve by the steps what I have given. And this is from the trigonometry application, the trigonometry chapter. A rope is tied from the tip of the vertical pole of length 37 meter to a peg on a level ground. Another rope is tied to the same pole little below from its tip to a peg on the ground opposite to it, as shown in the figure. Each rope is making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. If the difference of the length of the rope is 8 meter, then find the height of the pole at which the shorter rope is tied. Also find the length of the rope. Sometimes they will not give the diagram, but maximum time they will give the figure. So you can use that figure and solve the answers. So how I have solved in systematic way, you should also solve systematic way in your booklet. So you will get the full out of out marks. This is from the surface area and volumes. The 10 of radius of circles company is built by canvas cloth such that a cone is surmounted on the cylindrical shape. If the height of the cylinder shape is 9 meter, the diameter of the base tent is 30 meter and the total height of the tent is 17 meter, then find the area of the ground occupied by the tent, area of the canvas cloth used for building the tent. So this is the answer for this. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and also like this video and please do subscribe. Thank you. So I will be uploading many question papers for you. Thank you.